fabulous women and all my male viewers as well. If you are watching my video or my channel for the first time, then hi, this is Batul Diwan and I am passionate to work for women. I can open myself to help men as well, but currently I am passionate to help women who feel stuck, lonely, maybe loveless. Maybe there is some challenge in their personal life, in their relationships, or there are challenges they are facing in professional life. They are not able to speak up for themselves, they are not able to make meaningful relationships, or there are health challenges, and everything starts from our inner world. How I can say that? Because I was there. I was one of these person who was facing all these challenges, and I had overcome all this. And that's why now I feel it's my turn to help people who are facing any of these challenges. So hi, this is Batul Diwan and I'm passionate to work for people, especially starting with women who feel like that. And if you want to work with me up close and want to get helped, I encourage you and invite you to join a community, WhatsApp community of like-minded women with whom I work very closely, I work intimately, and I share my updates, my tips for inner work, and I closely interact with them. I will leave the link for high high fishing zone. So yeah, I'll maybe take your comments or maybe take any of your questions you have at the end. So you can join the WhatsApp community. I will leave the link in the description box. Also, if you have something which you want to immediately share with me, you will want to share with me up close on one-on-one call, and you feel that there is something I can help you with, definitely I'll leave a link for a clarity call, and we can discuss over challenges and we can come out with some solution items for you, which I'm already doing for some of the women, actually many of the women. So if you want, you can click the link and join that. Now coming back to today's topic, which is around, why we need to evolve, we need to level up, why we need to upscale, upgrade ourselves, and how it can not just help us but it can help others transform as well. So every time I have to come live, I sit 1 or 2 days before and think about what I can talk, what I can share with my people. And this time I actually saw a beautiful story shared by Mahatria around the same topic which I'm going to share today. And he shared why we need to evolve and how it can help others in form of a story and 4 realizations around the story. So these 4 realizations are going to solve a lot of queries you might be having around this subject. At times when we are on our journey of growth, of evolution, of working on ourselves, of working on maybe our business, of working on something we love to do, we find ourselves becoming abandoned. We at times find ourselves becoming lonely. We feel that our family, our friends, our people are gradually starting to not relate with us. We feel that they are not maybe supporting us and we start feeling isolated. And even though we might be working on it and we might be walking on the path, we might have gotten successful or we are already on the journey of success, but still we start feeling that what's the point of this success if there is no one to share it with? What's the point of this success, this happiness and everything, when there is no one with whom I can share, with whom I can be with whom I can share my joys, sorrows, whatever. So all of these things are very normal, all of these thoughts process are very normal, and that is why I'm here to share these 4 realizations in the form of a beautiful story. So the story goes like this. Once upon a time, inside the water, so I'm sitting near a pond and this can very well relate to it. Inside the water there was a colony of bugs, and every now and then one amongst those bugs would rise up and sit on the lily leaves. So you can see there are so many lotuses and there are leaves also. So a perfect place to actually uh, share this story in this life. So yeah, so one, I'll just tilt it up. Yeah, so I'm sorry. Yeah, so once every now and then one of the bugs will rise up, sit on the lily leaves, and then disappear. And all the bugs got really curious that why is this happening? I'm just shifting it a bit. Why is this happening? Where is one amongst our friends is going? So one of them decides that, what we'll do, we will actually do that. Whenever the next person amongst us goes to the top, that person will come back and tell us what is happening on the top of the water. And then coincidentally, this person, this bug who suggested this idea itself, gets the chance to go up and decides that yes, I'll take this chance and I'll go up. That bug go up, sits on the lily leaf, and then it starts transforming. It starts transforming and it becomes a beautiful dragonfly. It gets its wings and it flutters its wings and it starts flying. And for the first time in its life, it feels that how freedom tastes like. It feels truly on the top of the world. And then it gets reminded that, oh, I promised my people that I'll come back and tell them what's happening. So dragonfly comes, sits on the lily leaves, thinks something, and then flies again. And then comes back again, sits on the lily leaves, and seems like that dragonfly had few important realizations. So first realization is the dragonfly realizes that now when I have become a dragonfly, even if I want, I cannot go back to who I was. So that means that when we are on a journey of growth, evolution, when we are walking on the path, we cannot remain in the same identity, same environment, same set of people. It does not mean we have to abandon them, but we have to accept the fact that now, since we have moved here, we cannot go back to here. These people might not be able to relate. But even if they are not able to relate, that does not mean I have to stop my journey. I have to keep growing, because if it takes actually a might of the lion to understand and to recognize what an elephant is. An ant cannot understand what an elephant is. So even if they are not able to, even if I cannot go back to them, that does not mean I have to not keep working on myself. I cannot live in the repetition of same old past which I was. I have to keep becoming the new version of new identity of me. Number two, the realization number two is, even if somehow I go inside the water, they will not be able to recognize me. So when you grow, you start becoming a different person. Your old people, your old set of friends suddenly starts not relating to you. Suddenly it feels like, you are not matching. Suddenly it feels like there is no connection between them. There is no worry about it, because that is bound to happen. That is the sweet price of growth which we have to pay. When anyone walks on the path of growth, evolution, transformation ahead of its time, world is bound to misunderstand that person. Go back and see examples of anyone in the world who worked something bigger than themselves. Initially, they had struggles, but eventually their life was full of freedom. They left a legacy behind them. And for that thing to happen, initially we have to take tough decisions. And beautifully, what Vivekanand ji shared, Swami Vivekanand ji shared once, which I just told you, that an ant cannot understand the might of an elephant, because ant and elephant are world apart. It takes a lion to understand the might of an elephant. So do not worry about that people are not able to relate with you. That is bound to happen. And the next two realizations will solve all these queries. So the third realization around uh, the transformation which the dragonfly had was, hi Aliza, thank you for joining. So the third realization which the dragonfly had around transformation was, if I would not have left the comfort zone of being a water bug, I would have never tasted how the freedom of flying looks like. So, if we become too complacent and too comfortable, too attached with the comfort zone of our present reality, we cannot rise above to see what is there in the potential, what is there waiting for us. We have to stop living in our old identity or the present identity, the past present. What we are currently living is our past present, because what we have done in past has led to this present. But if we keep repeating that past present, we will keep seeing the same future. So we will keep repeating the same loop again and again. We have to break it, and we have to already start living in the identity that I have all the potential to become dragonfly. That is bound to happen, because I was born as a water bug to actually become a dragonfly. If we start shifting our perspective that we are bound to transform, we are bound to grow, and that is why all those desires were put in my heart. That is why I want to do certain kind of things which I might not be able to gather or gain courage currently to do, is for a reason, is because that reality already exists for me. For that, I have to leave the comfort zone of my current environment and start taking some decision, some hard decision, start taking some bold step today, so that eventually I reach there. And number 4, the fourth realization, which is beautiful. So the dragonfly thinks like, okay, fine, I understand that I cannot go back. Even if I go back, they might not able to relate or recognize me. And if I wouldn't have left my comfort zone, I wouldn't have tasted this beautiful freedom, how freedom and flow looks like, how the world looks like, and I would have been just sitting in that pond in the limited zone. But now, how can I help my friends? I have made a promise that I will go back and tell them, but I can't, because they won't understand, because their understanding is limited, their consciousness is limited at this point of time. So what can I do for them? So the dragonfly realizes with this fourth realization that if I continue to live in my reality, live in my best reality, live in the highest version of myself, one day some of the water bugs seeing me will get inspired to become just like me, and they will also muster the courage, and they will also rise up, and they will sit in the lily leaf, and they will transform, and they will also start flying. And that day they will realize that what happens when they transform, and that day they will realize that why I did not come back. But if I confine myself and think, no, people will not be able to relate to me, I will get isolated, I'll get abandoned, and I just show down myself, I do not show up fully in my real self just because of all these clauses, then neither I am helping me nor I am inspiring anyone. But if I continue living myself in my best self, in my reality, in the highest version of me, I'm definitely going to inspire people to also do so. So you living in your best version is actually a service to people, because that is only going to inspire people to do the same. So these are the four realizations that why we need to level up and evolve, and how you leveling up and evolving and transforming can actually be a greatest service to the mankind. One of the greatest service to the mankind. That's all for today. I actually love to have some questions for you and maybe answer. And every time I say this in live, but eventually I'm going to start this. So if you have any questions, you can put here, and I would love to answer that. Um, if not, then I will close this live stream, and like this video, share it with people who you think they might be needing this, and I am sure there might be some who might be needing this. And I will put this as a video, and it will stream soon, maybe tomorrow, start streaming in my YouTube. and subscribe my channel for more such content and to help me. Hi Meet. Hi Meet. Yeah, thank you Meet. I'm glad that it helped. So yeah, subscribe my channel for more such content and help me reach more and more people. That way I'll also be reaching more people and helping others. So that's all for today. Thank you. Bye. Have a great Sunday. Like, share, and subscribe. My bye. My name is Batul, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.